You've all heard the saying, thinking outside the box, right? You've heard that? You're supposed to think outside the box. Well, Krishna consciousness, the teachings of Bhagavad Gita, it's thinking outside the box. What is the box? The box, we're boxed up in this material world by thinking that I am this body, I am in this world to live happily in this world, and that's what everyone is doing. In where is that? Google. They have, is it Google? They have their motto: "Think different," which for a start is, is it Apple? Yeah, Apple. Apple. Okay. Which for a start is bad English. Should be think differently. Unless you put a comma after think, and you speak to someone called Mr. Different, and you're telling him to think. Otherwise, it's, in the sense that it's meant, it's poor English, for a start. Oh, there are so many Indians there, right? In Silicon Valley. I guess it's cultural mixing, poor English, and all this. So think different. But if you walk into their campus and say, I thought completely differently, that anyway, what's the point of working in this company? We're all going to die anyway. And they don't want you to think that differently. They want you to think in a different way so you can get ahead of the competition and come up with something new, something different which they can sell to others. But if you come up with a different thinking, that what's the use of selling things to others anyway, creating more and more garbage and pollution and exploiting all the people in Africa and everywhere else to get all these ingredients we need for whatever it is. I this and I that, iPad, iPod, toilet and everything. It's going to be, isn't it? That's coming, I guess, the toilet. Everything else, right? Why not an toilet? That it monitors the speed it comes out. It does an immediate analysis of what's there, and then it comes on your computer screen. From your stool analysis, we can understand you have approximately 25 minutes left to live. So quick, buy the latest iPod before you die. You never know. It's all coming. So if you think that differently, if you get complete outside the box, that we are living in this world with the idea to make it more enjoyable, they don't want you to think that differently.